Hi, Mani.
Hello, Dee. What are you doing?
Nothing. I just came here talking to you. I did my all housework. Then I
Okay,
talk
what
to you.
you did? Can you explain some? Because in future, I have to learn all the things.
I I served food to my kids and husband, and
What did you make?
I made sabji, roti, and simai.
Sevaya. Wow. Okay, so what do you like most?
Like everything means in food.
Yeah. What did you make today? And which one is the best taste?
Okay, what made nice sabji and roti? Do you know today's sabji? I made very tasty, and I ate a lot of.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what did you today?
Mm.
Something special or how's your
Yeah,
day? Her day? How was your day?
my day was very good. Today special. Yeah, I purchased something special for my mother-in-law.
Go for shopping.
Yeah, I went shopping, so I purchased geyser for my mother-in-law because they struggle too much, so that's why. Yeah, I when I told her I purchased uh, geyser, so she's asking me what is geyser. So I told him geyser convert geyser give warm water means hot water. So she's very happy. Okay. She's very happy.
You are so caring.
Thank you.
That's good. Nice to listen. And what you purchased? Anything else? What was you purchased?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Only I
Go.
purchased it.
What did you like most in the market? You
Yeah,
want to buy, but you didn't
in the
because
market, everything.
whenever I
Uh-huh.
go went market and I if I thought in home today I purchased that thing and when I am at market I like all the thing expect that I want to purchase a particular thing that I go for that and I never purchase that thing what I need and
You
I
purchase
spend
unnecessary things. Yeah, so I only went a geyser shop. Do you know everything means in market everything very attractive. Like whenever we see, so yeah, I buy this thing. I buy this thing. But I don't know. I didn't went. I only went geyser shop.
yeah, it's okay
I
then.
went with my husband. So we both went there and purchased and came back home.
Okay, that's why you didn't go anywhere else.
Yes. Whenever I go with my neighbors, that time I do same thing. But I don't want to go market. If I want anything, so I say my husband, I need this thing. So he buy everything buy for me. So that's why I don't like too much shopping. When we have enough money, then we do shopping. Yeah.
My all money spent all the things and what I needed that the thing I didn't purchase whenever I go.
Yeah, that's why I don't go. I say my husband, okay, you go and buy something. Only for I buy clothes. That time I go with my husband. Otherwise I don't go.
what you buy for me when you will come here?
I bought too much things. I I will buy too much thing for you because your marriage next month. And yeah, so I buy so much thing for you, but it's a surprise to you.
Oh my god. Tell me something. So I thought my mind
because
and
because you are my younger sister, so I love you too much.
but your video
Okay,
is not
okay,
okay.
yeah.
Then what did you made yesterday?
Huh?
What did you made yesterday?
Yesterday, what I made? I
Yeah.
forget. Yeah, yesterday I made uh paratha, potato paratha. Potato paratha. It's favorite to my kids. It's easy for they they gave for school means lunch to kid lunch. So I made aloo paratha. And at afternoon, I made kadhi and chawal.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay. So at last, which movie you watched? Tell me about that.
Yeah. At last, watched I Jhumka Gira. What's there? What Jhumka? That song Alia Bhatt and I don't know. Alia Bhatt and Radveer Singh. I didn't remember that movie name. I think what that movie name. I didn't remember, but I enjoyed. I enjoyed a lot of.
Okay,
So my
then
husband.
you then you have to tell me a story of that movie in past tense.
Okay.
A summary of that movie.
Okay. That movie was very good movie. Means that movie only according to a woman. Like in our India, mostly women do housework. Husband means boys they don't do any housework. So that movie about two women, totally a woman. So Alia Bhatt play role the girl.
Movie name I
So
think something कुछ था ना रानी राजा.
her family, Rani Raja ki love story, I think like this. So her Alia Bhatt family was very open minded family, and Ranveer Kapoor families was a very old type family. Like they didn't, yeah, they don't like to if women go outside and work outside. Even when they eat food, when they eat food, so they don't like to women sit there and eat food.
Okay.
So whenever they both meet, and I enjoyed a lot of. My husband, he didn't enjoy that movie because I don't know why he didn't enjoy, but I enjoyed. So yeah,
He said, "Where are you stuck?" Oh my god.
while watching movie, he seen our phone. I say, "What are you doing? You coming here watching movie? So why you doing this?"
Was bold, I think.
But in the last, Alia Bhatt change our mother-in-law, our sister-in-law. Means they totally change. Her mother-in-law went to sing song on stage, on television, in television, and her sister-in-law, she I think she do anything. So yes, when she came, then she do a struggle and
That is good. Your explanation is good enough. Yeah,
Okay.
your
Yeah,
bangle is
I watched movie.
beautiful. Just
The
show
you
me.
know huh
Bangle
huh
is so show me
what
your bangles. Wow,
Bengal.
wow, it's so beautiful. Wow.
Yeah, I wore on Karwa Chauth. Yeah,
Okay, so what you did on your Karwa Chauth? Tell me something.
yeah, I did like same woman did. I took fast and
Something different. What you enjoyed a lot? Not that daily routine.
yeah, especially yeah, I did makeup and
What you wear?
I wear the sari, jewelry and makeup. I wear and I took my selfie photo. I love click photo, so I took
Okay,
lot of photo.
when you upload that video as of one photo, please, what do you say, uploaded in this video attached. Please, want to
Okay.
I want to see. Okay, then
I sent your WhatsApp number, so you see
no,
you will see.
I I I want to mm, see everyone, your
Okay.
fans also, your YouTube friends. See
Okay.
how
So
much
my
you
next
are
question.
cool when you are ready.
Yeah. So my next question.
Okay.
Mhm.
When you did go any vacation?
Autumn vacation when our my kids autumn vacation in
When, sorry.
vacation I went fair and yeah I went fair in autumn vacation. Actually, last month we are celebrated Navratri, Dashera. So I went there.
Okay. So I saw your photos of Vaishno Devi. I think you was there.
Actually, I
Why
was when
you hide?
Vaishno Devi. Eh,
Why you are hiding?
actually, I didn't hide. I went not. I before 4 month I went for
Yeah.
5 month. I think 5 I went
Every time you
Vaishno
go,
Mata.
you went, right? So you have to tell
Huh?
about that. Whenever you go, you went.
Mm-hmm.
So you have to tell
Okay,
about
I
that.
tell about. It was very nice journey, but it's a climb too much high. So we went there on foot by
How
foot.
many hours you climb?
Hmm?
How many hours it was take?
It was I think 24 hours.
It take
24
20.
hours we yeah because we are went there by steps. So we was take too much time and we feel too tired but while walking while yeah when I was climbing what say climbing
Climbing.
yeah that time I was very happy but when I mm, came downside means when I came back that time was feel very tired means I feel anywhere I sleep.
Why, why you not use uh what you there is
Horse.
horse and what then the thing.
You
Who,
know
but have
horses.
to live.
I have little kids. That's why I worry about, and I don't like if I want to go anywhere, so I don't like to use any animal and any man. But I want huge helicopter that time. I wanted, but I think it's 2 and 3 one day before you talk there, and I don't know very much about helicopter. That's why I didn't went by helicopter, and everyone say it's expensive, so that's why I not went. I decide I went only by my feet, by yeah, by feet, by step.
Exactly. Okay, so you enjoyed a lot, right?
Yeah, I enjoyed a lot up there. Big, big mountains and monkeys, and means when you see here and there, so it's look very beautiful. So yeah, everyone walk there. So I enjoyed a lot of there.
Okay.
Any more question?
Yeah, I have a lot question, but I have to serve once. Just wait.
You give me my feedback.
Okay, so today is you are looking good first of all, and
Thank.
you are so sweet also. I like
Uh-huh.
your
Your voice, your
hello.
voice, your voice. Huh? Yeah.
I
Now you speak. Hmm. So I want
your
no like how I speak. Like today I speak about past tense, so I not feel nervous. Means I speak very normal, but I don't know. Do you tell me
because
how I? Huh?
because you speak with me.
No, I speak anyone. I not feel uncomfortable. So
You
tell
are
me my
good
feedback.
today. Today you speak good, and your pronunciation is also good, and your fluency is also good, and you not break your sentences, and you can completely speak your full sentence and what you want to speak. So you are going on a very right way and very good, excellent,
Thank
five
you.
star.
So what I do next, that's why my English will improve too much. I want to know. Give
You
me one
have to
suggestion.
just speak nothing else, yeah. Just do it, man, and take it easy. Don't take so much load. Just take it easy and
Okay,
speak. Talk to me every day.